Is my screen visible? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. So I think last time we are at creating field level security roles, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, last time we got one issue as we have created tables outside of the solution, so we didn't get option for field level security roles. So now I have like all the tables which I have created as like outside of solution. Now I have created all of them as inside solution. So because some options, if that for tables or app like flows whatever them, if you are creating like if it is not a solution aware tables anything, some options will be disabled. If it is created inside solution only, then some options, even if you have remembered, we haven't received one thing like while creating business process flows, we haven't got next stage option. That is also because of we haven't created tables inside a solution.
Mm-hmm.
So the process we have done is correct, just because of we haven't created tables inside a solution, this issue we got.
We had, we were using predefined tables, right? So those were not
No,
part
no,
of
no, not predefined. See,
okay.
now we are getting next stage. See, automatically it will move to next stage. Got it? So that is the reason. And one more few points I forgot to miss is like in all the mandatory columns which are there, that should be present. Like for example, one mandatory column is there, that is you have added here. So if that is added here, then next stage option will be disabled here. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the points we should remember, like all the if any mandatory columns are there, that should be filled, then only we'll get next stage option. And all the solution should tables created should be solution aware. That is the points. No, what I'm telling is Pranav, so these
Can you
tables like from
can you revisit the thing which was the exact problem and show us the exact table which was there so that I
that tables are
can.
okay. So if we have created from the solution, then the extensions will be like EMPO, whatever the publisher name with we have created, that with that it will be created, right? So
Hmm.
if we have created normal default solution tables means if we create it from the outside of, see, I'm not part of any solution, just I'm coming here tables and creating it has a new table here. So
Hmm.
if we create like this, it will be created as normal extensions. Yeah, I will tell you. I think some of have already created. See, this table is there, right?
Hmm.
This is not a solution aware table. This is created with default publisher name.
Okay. Yeah, that is what I was saying. Now, this is a default table.
Not default table. This is also
Okay.
a custom table we have created,
Uh-huh.
but we have created it from outside of the solution.
Okay. Okay.
If we created it from the inside solution, this is what it
Hmm.
will happen. See, if you have
Hmm.
remembered, while creating solution we have created publisher as well. See, these are the
Hmm.
publishers. If you have remembered, this is a
Hmm.
default publisher.
Hmm.
See, if we create it outside the solution, this is with this extension it will be created. If we
Okay.
create it we have created one new publisher like employee onboarding with
Hmm.
EMP, like I think ours is let's see. See, EMPO prefix we have created. So if we create it inside our solution, automatically all the tables will get like whatever the things which we are creating, automatically with this extension it will be created prefix with this prefix value, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and last time while we were creating, see now for the all the columns we will be getting not case, sorry, columns. Um, yeah. See now for all the columns, column level security is enabled. If you see any of them, except lookup for some of the columns, it won't be there. There is like a lookup columns. We can't create an column level security. See, for all of them, it will be there. Yeah, this is an auto the formula column, right? Formula for formula columns also those options won't be there. So that is why. Yeah, okay. Now, last time I think Prano you have asked, right? We for that one as we have created this option like this option was disabled, so we weren't able to try. See, now we have this is the thing which I have told you.
Okay.
So masking option, so we can date with slash masking rules. We can create it email hide name, social security. These are the options we got. So social security like showing last four digits, date with hyphen. So these are the thing we can create some masking rules, and we can create according to our requirement.
No, so date with slash, like how it will be like it will show an email like date with slash kind of format.
No,
How
no,
it
no. It will be depending upon our
field.
yeah, field. So for example, ours is email, right? Let's choose it
Email.
email thing. But before that one, we need to create a security role for this one, field level security. Let's open admin center. I think from here also we have an option that is also I'll show. Last time I have showed from here, right? Inside solution also we can create new security. See here column level security and attribute masking group. So these are these things we need to we can create it. So masking rule we should create it. Like for example, we want to show only 4 digits. Using regex expression we can create it. For this one unique name, our table unique name, let's provide it. So if you go to properties, yeah, this is the logical name is there, right? This will be our unique name for our table. So entity, I'll give that one. So unique name for this masking column. So that one, let's okay. And attribute which we are creating for the column. Corporate email, I think so, right? Masking rule here, if we click on new, uh, even if you want to create, like if you have any particular expression which you are like existing masking rules, we can create it. Even if you want to customize your masking rule according to your wish, we can do it with like a new option is there, right? With a new option you can write your own regex expression and you can add it here, but I'm using existing one now. Let's put key attribute unique name.
So, in terms of regex,
Mm,
like, have you done regex sometime or?
no, even like I didn't get a chance to use these things.
Okay.
But yeah, I know these are the things we can. Uh, and why it's not? Let me copy it again. Yeah. Is it created? Record this a duplicate. Yeah. Okay, for creating new masking rule means like if you have created any new regex, like not already existing ones, because this is already there, right? So if we have created any new masking rule and if you want to that one to be shown here, then we need to create this one. If
Oh,
already we are choosing existing masking rule, right?
okay,
That
okay.
is why that duplicate error we are getting, because
Hmm.
on the email already a masking rule is created.
Hmm.
Yeah, if we create it with new, yeah, we will get that one.
Okay.
Even with reggae expression, even I can't show you because even I haven't tried that one yet. Yeah, yeah, last time like I have shown you right, column level security how we can create it, like, and from here if you want to go to particular environment, security, use here if you go, field level security options will be there. See column level security roles. Okay. Here we can create it. Last time we have created role status, that one, like how we can create from here as well. Or
Hmm.
else here if you go from inside solution also we can create it. New security, column security profile. Okay. This is also we can create it.
This is like you are creating what, like masking rule or like
And
what?
no. So, now this uh,
Voice. Uh,
but the column we will select that column.
Sorry, your voice was very unclear in between. I don't know.
Okay. So this column will be protected now. Users
Hmm.
can't see it. It will be like mask, like xxxs or dot dot. It will be shown other
Okay.
users. The users or teams which we give permission, only those people will see it.
Acha. So that security profile we will create, and for those who are added to that security profile, those only will be able to
Yeah,
see.
exactly.
Oh, okay, okay.
See here, our tables will be shown. So for the columns which we here, the columns which we have enabled security, column level security, only those columns will be shown here. See, for our table only corporate email we have enabled column level
Hmm.
security. So that column is displaying here. So I will click on that one, edit, see, read aloud, read unmasked, one record or all record, that we should specify it, all record, allowed, create allowed. So if whatever the things which we have mentioned, only those only we can do it. For example, one rule which we have created as like multiple for the same column, multiple column level security profiles we can create it. For example, one column we have given read permission and update permission, and that users we have given permission. Okay, we have created another column security profile, and for that one we have given create permission as well with different users.
Mm-hmm.
So according to their permissions, they are their operations they can do it. Got it?
Okay.
So here I have given all permissions, and I will save it. Users. See, I have given you permission. For Manoj, I won't give you. So how Manoj is going to see and you are going to see, let's see that one. Okay. I think app is already shared, right, with you guys. No. Ah. So here, last time I have told you, right? Here security, the security roles which we have created are not displaying. So what we need to do? I have told you
Mm-hmm.
this thing.
Uh,
What we need to do?
which thing is not showing? Sorry.
Security roles.
Okay.
So what we need to
Ah,
do?
uh, I don't know the exact steps. Remember the exact steps.
Yeah,
Like
okay.
you have to add it
Remember
from
with
somewhere.
see, I will show you one thing. You can think that without adding solution security roles also we can add users. No, see, even I will add you without any security roles. I won't select any security role. I'll try to share it. See what will
Mm-hmm.
happen. See, are you added here? No, right?
No.
So without selecting security roles, app won't be shared.
Okay.
Even it will be shown as successful, but still
Mm.
you won't be part of shared list and you won't have permission until I have assigned you some
Mm.
specific role.
Okay.
So if you are not finding security role here, what we need to do is we need to go to sorry, here advanced settings. Okay, apps option we have, right? Apps we need to go. Here our app will be displaying, right? Employee onboarding. That we need to click three dots. Manage roles. See, only system administrator, system customizer are there. That's why there only those two options are displaying. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So we need to our own
Mm.
employee admins and employee onboarding general users. These are the things which we have created, right? That
Mm.
I am adding now. Save.
So, Mamta, I just wanted to
Uh,
tell one thing. Like, recently I saw some roles coming up in Power Apps, and what I found, like, people are also like wanting to know more about Dynamic 365 as well. So I don't know, like, have you come across that? Like you, in your experience, like you have to work on Dynamic 365 as well or something like that?
Yeah, if like what is the requirement exactly? Dynamics
I
365
mean,
also it's
like you should know Power Apps, Power Automate, and Dynamic 365 as well, something like that. So I mean,
yeah.
requirement is like they will build some backend app from Dynamic 365 database and all those things, right? Maybe, I mean,
Mm.
I'm just assuming. So,
So Dynamics 365 is nothing but whatever we are doing, all the admin related things, right? That is nothing but
mhm.
Dynamics 365. So if
But
you
this is
know,
a CRM app, right? This is a CRM app.
mm, yeah.
Yeah.
So employee onboarding general user team last time we have created, right? With these security roles assigned, automatically it is added here. If you have remembered in the last session, we have created teams. Do you
Mm-hmm.
remember the teams concept or not?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, a bunch of members can get a single security role or something
Yeah,
like.
yeah. Nothing but like it's like an Azure AD group. So in
Okay.
yeah, same here. We can add our own teams, create our own teams, and add our own members inside that team, and we can assign a security role to that particular team. See, for the security roles, members who are the members actually. Even yeah, Prano, you are part of that group, so you have an access to this application now. If you open this, okay, I will open it with. Do you have app link, Prano?
The link for this one.
Yeah,
Let me check.
corporate email is there. I think it's not there. Edit column, add column. A corporate email is not added.
Can you send me the link?
I think we first let me add the value. Okay. Yeah, you will be able to see the
Mhm.
chat. Yeah, open it. Manoj, you also open it. You won't be able to see any value here. It will be masked, but Pranav is going will be able to see the value.
Okay.
Okay, let me see.
So which page? Like I'm on employee onboarding
Yeah, employee onboarding. Okay,
table.
here this one I haven't added. Edit columns, add
Mm-hmm.
column, corporate email, search it with that one and click on add. Okay, it will be added here. Or else,
Corporate email, right?
yeah.
But I can't see any record itself. Like I can't see any record.
Oh, you can't see any record.
Uh,
I'm not sure my mouse is not working. Think for this one you are not okay. Pranav, create one record on your like I think you have permissions for this one, user level permissions.
mhm.
So you'll be able to see the records which you have owned. Or else let me give the assign permission. My laptop is stuck. I'm not sure why. Create one record.
I'm
Okay.
creating. I have created one record, but I can't see saved it. I've saved it, but I can't see it yet. I don't know if you are able to see it.
I think Mamta's network was disconnected.
Okay. Okay. Are you able to see any record? I mean, if you open the app.
No, actually, I am on through my phone. Actually, I'm
Oh,
outside.
but still you can open that app.
Login on phone, but it's not possible actually.
Yeah.
ओके लैपटॉप अपडेटिंग मैसेज आया है, तो ये तो टाइम लगेगा। लैपटॉप अपडेट होने
हम्म।
में तो 15-10 मिनट लग जाएंगे।
कहाँ इसने मैसेज किया है?
आई थिंक पुरानी रिकॉर्डिंग डिलीट हो गई होगी क्या?
वो भी पता नहीं यार। मेरे को लग रहा है अभी अभी होस्ट है क्या अपने में से कोई?
हाँ, मैं इसमें होस्ट हूँ, बट
हाँ तो अभी
रिकॉर्डिंग
छोड़ना
स्टार्ट।
हो। हम्म। रिकॉर्डिंग तो हो ही रहा है ना। रिकॉर्डिंग कंटिन्यूड है तो मे भी वो थोड़ा वेट कर लेते, नहीं तो पुराना भी चल जाएगा।
हम्म।
एक बार ऐसा हो चुका है वैसे। फिर भी देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है।
Yeah, hi Manoj. Hi, Pranav. Really sorry. I think
हम्म।
Mamta might have, she might had to disconnect. I'll just check with her that she will join or not. Right? Probably
ओके।
she will. I'll just call her. Okay.
ओके।
ओके।
I think she said that she's joining. Right. So just a second.
हम्म।
Hi, Mamta. I'll make you the host.
Hello.
Yeah, Mamta.
Yeah, hi, Ankush.
I've made you the host. No problem, right?
Yeah, thank you, Ankush. Okay. Yeah, have you opened the application?
Yeah, for
No,
me it
actually,
is open.
Sorry?
laptop is not available. Actually, I am not with my laptop, so I am logging, not able to log in.
Yeah, okay, no issue. So for Manoj, it will be like as I have told you, let's impersonate and see, or else. Yeah, for Manoj, it will. Oh, I need to create a new record for Manoj as well. See, for Manoj, it will be seeing access denied is showing. Okay. Pranav, you are able to see the value here, right?
I am actually not able to see my own created value. I
Okay.
don't.
So, okay,
Now I'm able to see. Yeah. Sorry, it got refreshed. I am able to email, right?
yeah, corporate email. Or else I'll impersonate you and I'll show you. I'll assign the same record to you.
Okay.
Assigning permission while impersonating is. In impersonate, I can't assign again users. So yeah. But the record which you have created is not there.
I can see the record, but I can't see the email field. I don't know.
Yeah, I have told you, right? It's not added. So
Oh, okay.
add column unit, edit columns. There is an option above, right?
Mm-hmm. Acha, 1 second.
Edit columns, add
I-
column,
Hmm.
corporate email, search it, and here apply it. Below apply option will be there.
Okay.
Yeah, that is how it will be there. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Now. Okay. Yeah. But the field I'm seeing is blank. I don't know.
Maybe there is no value in your
Hmm.
record. Say, let me add value. Manager info. Yeah, corporate email. See, there is a blank value.
Hmm.
See now, refresh and see.
Corporate email, I am seeing star.
Yeah, that is because we have
Hmm.
created masked rule. Now, if
Okay.
I go here, I'll disable that masked rule.
But it was for Manoj, na?
For Manoj, he won't be even see that star. For
Okay.
him, it will be like access denied error you are getting. But you are not getting that access denied error, right? Are you getting access denied error?
No, no, I'm
No,
not
right?
getting access denied.
Yeah,
I'm
see,
only seeing star.
the masked rules, like last time I have told you, right? Masked rules, like for example, passwords are there. Even though I am an admin, I have full rights to that column.
Hmm.
I can't see that column value. Passwords are like even Google CEO don't see can't see the
Hmm.
passwords. So in that
Okay.
kind of columns, if we want to create, that is why we will create masked rules. But if we create without masked rule, only the like this option column level security profile is there, right? That if
Hmm.
we create it, sorry, tables. Or else let's create another column column level security, and for that one just don't we won't enable any masked rule. Let's see how it will be working. Email is there, right? For
Hmm.
email, just I'll enable column level security profile, but I won't apply any masking rule. Okay, I'll go to our column level security profile. Okay, yeah. Now you see the corporate email column. I think corporate email, sorry, normal email column. Is it
Hmm.
there? I think email is in,
Normal email is there. Yeah.
yeah, there is no value, I think.
No value is there. Sorry, I remember.
In your record, is there a value?
Yeah, let me just, I'm just adding it. I have to add it every time. I don't know why. Every time I refresh it, I have to add it.
No, it's not like once it is saved, it is saved. That's it.
Mhm. So yeah, manager corporate email, I'm saying star, and email is I'm
Oh,
seeing
sorry, you are saying here, right? Yeah, here
uh,
because in the view we haven't added, right? So
hmm,
every time if we refresh, only default columns we have added in the view will be displayed. Even if we want to see any additional information, we can add it here.
hmm. Yeah, so I can see the email, and in the corporate email I'm seeing star.
Yeah, right. So same thing. So now as we don't have any masking rule like that, like that it's showing. For Manoj, both will be like he won't see both of them. I will show you Manoj impersonate. Yeah, even if I go inside, it will be same. See, even though the value is there, he is not able to see anything here. If I go outside of this one, I'll add column, email, apply. See, both are, he is like an access denied, access denied. But for you, masking rule applied column is like an whatever the masking rule which we have added, that is display will be displayed. For email, full value is going to display for you. Got it? Is that right, Pranav?
Yeah, email full value I can see.
Yeah. So that is how it will be there. So in case of like some sensitive information, if we want to save in our like records, masking rule will we will apply. It will be like an same even like some information like only four last four digits we want to show, like phone numbers generally we will save, right? Like some pin CVV if we want information, some generally in banking sectors. So some sensitive information like CVV informations, those kind of things are will be saved. So even employees also don't need to see that sensitive information. In that kind of scenario, we will create like an masking rules. Hmm. Yeah. So in our application, there are some if we see here, now we have only one form, but there are I will show you. In our tables, if we go employee onboarding forms. See, currently we have one main form. For example, we have another main form as well. Like say, I will create a save copy. Employee onboarding too. I'll stop impersonating. Okay. So there are main forms. Currently, we have two main forms we have. In our application, let's edit that one. Views, these are the views we have. Forms. Yeah, all the forms are there in our application. Let's publish. if you see, like based on security role, whether we want to open, see, in some scenarios we want to show, so for example, for admins we want to show this form, okay. For normal users, I want to show another form. In that kind of scenario, you have some okay. In that scenario, we have an option here. Like if you go to tables again, forms, okay, form setting we have, right? Security roles. Even for forms also, we can assign security roles. So those who have permission, only that people will be able to access these forms, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a fallback form option is also there. So the fallback option, if we say create it, like the for example, I have created permissions for these two, and I have created another like if I have set the fallback form as this one. So if I don't have permissions for any of them, whatever the fallback form I have created, that person will be opened with that form. Got it? Fallback form is. So that,
Fallback form in the sense, can you
see,
explain?
there are 3 or 4 forms, okay. I
Mm.
don't have permissions. All of them are like an security role assigned forms. I
Mm.
am not part of that security role, so don't have permissions for that one. Whatever the fallback form I have set, that form will be open for me. Got it?
Yeah. Okay. Default form kind of thing.
Yeah, kind of thing. Yeah, exactly. So form order also we can choose, like first which form it should display. Like for example, I have access to both of them. The order of forms I want to see, that we can set it. Okay.
Mhm.
Here fallback forms we can set it. Okay. See, currently employee onboarding form is there, right? That is our fallback form. That's it. Like, and these are the things we have. So we can add for our form, we can add our security roles. Employee onboarding. Yeah.
Form order is what, like, when will the form appear in the list or something like that?
No, no, no. Form order, actually, we will get here options if you have multiple forms.
Mm.
See, this is the order, form order.
Okay.
We can arrange it. For example, employee
Um,
onboarding is showing top, right? If I want to
mm.
show it top, this one,
Okay.
that we can switch it. That is in order. Okay, nothing much. So now I have given permission for employee onboarding, and no, let's give employee onboarding to security role. Let's remove this one. Ah, this form. General, yeah, okay. General users I have given. I will remove Manoj from this security role. So how should I show it to you? Only we have 2 security roles. That is general users. Only general users have access. Okay, let's create another security role or else to show it to you guys. So nothing much. They just simply whatever the rule we have, we will assign. Those people will be able to see this one. That's it. And even for views also, for example, we have many views right here, and views also we can based on security rules we can assign. This is a new feature. Previously we don't have this feature. Only I think in the I'm not sure whether it is in like I'm still in preview mode or not. I'm not sure if it's in public mode. We need to see it even for the views as well. View setting. Yeah, security roles option this came. Previously we don't have this one. Views also based on our security roles we can assign it. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. And here default view is there, right? What is the default view means? For example, when we are opening our see what is our automatically when we refresh the app, what is it is coming active on employee onboarding records are displaying. So if I want to change, like currently, see this is the one we have at a time only. One view can be default view. Okay. Now contract employee onboarding that I want to set as default view means whenever I refresh open the application that I want to show it by default. Then I'll change it as set as default view. Now this is not a default view anymore. Okay. Contract view is our default view. Okay. Now let me refresh the application. See.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now contract view became our default view.
Okay.
So same thing. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are the few things which it will end our security roles thing. Any questions? I think I have covered almost everything. Column level, form level.
Okay.
Yeah,
No, all good.
one thing main, I think we haven't created one view called, for example, whenever we open, this is also important one. Whenever I open only my record, like based on currently you have a security role. That is the reason you are seeing that your own records. For example, what I'm trying to say is, let me open our security role. General uses. See, user level permission I have given, read permission. That is why you are only seeing your own records. For example, you have an access to entire organization records. Okay. Create, I will give user only. Okay. User, yeah. Now you guys have permission for all of the records you will be having. If I impersonate, even previously Manoj have seen only one record, right? Now he is able to see all the records. Like 2 records we have in our database, 2 records he is able to see now. Got it? So I want to create one view along with these views, like my records only. Okay, that record should be visible by default. So how we can do that one? If we go to views, Employee onboarding. Use. Okay, let's create that from here itself. Save as option. That I'll create it as my employee onboarding records. Okay. Here filter by option is there, right? Add a row. I want to create it as ownership, right? Owner, yeah. Is equals to current user. Okay. There is one view now. See, now I'm navigating that one. See, in the my employee onboarding view, see, only the records which I am the owner is displaying. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Now, Pranav, you have created one record, right?
Mm.
If you open your application, that record for you, it will be visible. Right?
Yeah, so that is already visible, like.
No. Now, active
Acha.
records previously, right? Active records, I have changed the security role. So you are able to see all the records in active,
Yes, I can see
right?
both.
Yeah. In my employee, only your own record now.
Okay.
What are the things which we have changed? I
Okay,
have
okay,
given
okay.
security role.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Security role, I have given, and like for all records, I have given permission. Previously, in the security role, user permission is there. That is why in overall application, you are able to see only your records. Now I have changed it to organization level. That means all the records you are going to, all of the users record you are going to able to see. And one more thing, I have created my employee view. Here I'm filtering records based on my ownership. See, what are the filter the condition I have added? Active records I'm displaying and owner, where I am the
Okay.
current user is the one owner. That filter condition I have added. Okay. This is
Owner is
also,
the current user.
yeah, no. Owner means record ownership.
Okay. So Manoj
Okay.
cannot see my record at all in that, right?
No. Yeah. In my employee view, he won't be able to see. Whereas in active, as he have
Since
permission
he
now.
is not the owner of that record, he is not able to see that in my records. Right?
Yes, exactly.
And in the all active records, only filter was regarding active records. That is why we are able to see every record.
Yeah, exactly. So when it will come into picture, these kind of views means we have an like support tickets are there. Okay. Where I am the concerned person, that records assigned to me. See, in our for example, in generally, if you work in support projects, they will be able to show all these records, support tickets they have. Okay, they have in their team. Okay, and their own assigned tickets. For example, there are 100 records. Among them, only 5 are assigned to me. Okay, if I click on like my assigned tickets, okay, in that scenario, they should be able to see their own assigned tickets. All tickets, they need to see all of the tickets in their like specific team assigned. That is how we can create it. These views come into picture. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the things. I think we have done almost everything. Yeah. Now let's start with the flows. Okay. Let me open the documentation. Are you able to see the document? No? Yes.
No,
No? Okay.
I can see only the power apps.
Okay. Maybe I have shared. See, before that, or you already know, you guys already know about Power Automate Cloud, or else you are new to this one?
I have an idea about it.
You have Manoj, what about you? If you guys already have an idea, then like basic introduction, if you already know, I'll skip it.
Yeah, I mean, we are already from the RPA background, so we
Ah,
know.
okay. So yeah, then I'll discuss a few important interview related things. Manoj, do you know about this one, or shall
Yes,
I? Okay, you already
Uh,
know, right?
regarding the Power Automate desktop and flows, no?
No, no, not desktop. These are the cloud flows.
Okay, cloud flows.
So cloud flows means it will be related to like when an sk- on the in the cloud flows, three types of flows we have. One is instant flow. That means instantly, like on click of button, if you want to trigger that flow, that is instant flow. Automated flow means when something is happening at that time, if you want to create run the flow, that means when an item is updated, okay, in our database is there, right? When that specific record is created, at that time I want to run some flow, or else when new record is in our dataverse, or else in SharePoint is created, at that time I want to create an flow, or else when an email new email is received to our email box, at that time if you want to run something, some email, that is an automated flow. Okay. And another one is scheduled flow. That means on a specific interval time that I want to perform some task, that is scheduled flow. Like we can schedule it for every minute or every hour, or specific days, like in every day if I want to run that flow, then in that scenario we will create a scheduled flows. This is an interview question as well, what are the different types of flows we have. So I think you have an I think you are saying you are already having an idea. Just some basics, then I'll cover it.
So, actually, I was thinking like till 7 we were going to have the class, right?
Okay. Yeah, then let's continue this on next time. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. We can have
Okay.
a fresh topic in the next class then. Right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.